Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 2nd to the 6th of September 2024 on Monday. Lulama is fearful that Vuyokazi and Officer Khampepe are getting closer to finding out the truth about the supposed hijacking on Tuesday. The honeymoon phase is quickly fading for Nonhle in her new relationship. Lulama tried to cover her tracks on Wednesday. Lulama's lies catch up with her. Nonhle is left feeling unsettled after Sonwabile pulls a selfish move. Thulani finds himself in some hot water on Thursday. The chasm grows between Nonhle and Msimelelo, and she turns to Sonwabile for comfort. Another big fish threatens Hlumelo's operation. Lulama spins more lies to escape consequences on Friday. Sonwabile's bold moves to stand up for Nonhle causes more problems than he had hoped. After surviving a near-death attack, Thulani's version of the events leaves everyone confused. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone.